Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by Ttry. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
My name is Tshilidzi Mashamba. I'm the CEO and founder of Ttry Fashion and Beauty Boutique. I stay at Mzombane. I started 2019. I was busy doing the pillows, and then I saw like there is life in this industry. Then I upgraded to the fashion thing. They're custom made clothes. Is that like here I only have few of them. I focus on the traditional, modern, and the kids' party dresses. I also do the earrings. I also do the earrings and the beads. I do have certain types of it that I don't have right now. My products are very unique because it's custom made. I use your measurement. I make sure that like you get the right perfect fit. My number is 071-178-8927. I also have a Facebook page, Ttry, and then Instagram, Ttry. Hi, my name is Ttry. I'm a township entrepreneur.